Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er article. This is vlog 107. We are in Echo Park. We just got a call from Yelp from a person. Her name was Michaela, and she had an iPhone 6 that needed to be repaired. The screen cracked last night, I guess. She just called this morning, and we are here in the beautiful hills of Echo Park, and we're about to fix her phone. So we're just waiting for her. She said she'll be in 10 minutes. So once she gets here, we'll get that repair started, and you're gonna come with and see how it goes down. So see you guys soon, and we'll be right back. Wait, you. Peace. Cut. That's the house right there. Pretty nice, huh? Pretty cool. Just gonna wait for her to come home and get it started. See you guys soon. See you soon. Hi. Are you Michaela?
Yeah.
Hey, Michaela. Sure. I didn't know you were already home. I was gonna wait for you. I didn't know you were home. I was here like 10 minutes ago, but I was just like, yeah, I just thought, no, it's okay. I just said as soon as you call me, you'll be home.
So this is my phone.
So.
Can we do it out here? Do you
Sure,
mind?
yeah, please, yeah. I mean, that's the reason why actually I said I was gonna say,
Okay.
hey, if this is possible, this is perfect. Okay. Awesome. That just from my YouTube channel. There's no voice inside. So.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so it just needs the
Yeah, it just
screen.
needs a new LCD and new
Yeah.
glass. Totally fine. You're good.
Okay.
We're awesome. Okay, yeah. I mean, it'll be done in like 15 minutes.
Okay.
So 12:30 latest.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave the door open. I'm just gonna be inside.
Yeah. Please. I mean, then what I'll do, I'll just like, I'll just like
Okay.
when I'm done. Yeah,
I'll
definitely.
leave it.
Okay. I mean, because it's kind of hot outside, but yeah, just do whatever you like.
Do you want water or anything?
You're so nice. I'm good.
Okay.
I just got some ice coffee. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, let's see. Bless you. Hey guys, you just saw us. We just finished that iPhone 6. It was a screen repair that was cracked from she was traveling in Europe, so her phone was cracked and she just had to just wait until she gets back to the States. So we just changed that and she was super happy. She was like, oh, this is so convenient. I was like, I know, right? My point being is that it's so cool to get that positive feedback from people that know how convenient my service is, because not many people just go to your house or your business, and that just really makes a very good difference in a person's life when their life is just hectic or busy, or they don't have to just go to a shop, when they can just she was just cleaning her house. Instead you can, like, I mean, she can do her thing while I do mine, and everything is great. So and just the other convenience that Phon-Er offers, besides quality service and life and warranty, we also offer that convenience of house call, which is our specialty, and that's what we're known for. And besides our good customer feed and service and quality guaranteed. So that's about it, guys. This is vlog 107. That'll be it for this vlog, and have a beautiful day, or morning, or evening, or afternoon, whatever hour you're watching this video. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do some more edits so I can post this up to you guys, and we'll see you guys in vlog 108. Peace, cut. Thank you for watching. Alright, out. That's a wrap.